How's it going on, guys? My name is Linton from Last Health and Fitness. Obviously, I'm pleased to be a part of Mentality. So I'll be bringing to you beginners kettlebell exercise. So first things first, before you start, make sure that you're nice and warm. I've already been warming up before this, so yeah, I'm hot. But if you're starting this, do some jogging on the spot, 30 seconds, some jumping jacks, squat jumps, some static holds and stuff like that, just to make sure that the hamstrings are nice and stretched. So we're gonna really keep it basic in terms of the movement. When it comes down to the actual exercise, it will be intense, but there won't be any complications with coordinations or anything like that. So I'm gonna keep it basic, but you're gonna break a sweat, all right? Hope you're ready. So what we're doing, you got 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds active recovery. Your active recovery will be either hold a plank or you got mountain climbers, right? So hope you're ready. Don't cheat. 40 seconds, all right? I'll start you through in 3, 2, 1, kettlebell swing. So just make sure you're driving those hips all the way up. I'm gonna give you a nice side angle. Keep them working. Every second counts. Exploding through. Keep that neutral spine. Driving up, right? Yeah. We're just going straight. Don't worry about me. Keep the swing going. Power through. 40 seconds will feel like 10 minutes, I tell you. Nice. We got 10 seconds to go. Last 5 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Good. You're gonna go straight down, hold through. I'm gonna go with the more challenging version, which is our climbers for 20 seconds. If you're flowing already, you're doing something right. If not, pick it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Get your kettlebell, we need rest, right? Good, you're gonna hold it up, down. So, if you're not sure how to do the goblet squat, try and get your elbows to touch your thighs, squeeze up, down. I'm gonna give you that side angle while you're working. Here, up, squeeze. Nice. Okay, good. If you're up for the challenge, you can jump if you want. I'm not up for the challenge, not today. Good work. Good, back to the front. You got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Excellent stuff. Back down to our favorite. Good. Remember, you can still hold it here. 20 seconds. Oh, this is more fun. Woo! Just gotta keep it moving, let's go. Yeah. Three, 2, 1. Woo! Starting to feel it. Here, got snatch to press. You wanna hold down, better from the side. Here, to the side, just press it. Remember, as quick as you can, as explosive as you can coming up. And again, make sure your core is tight all the way through. Push, as you push, always breathe out. There we go. Great job. Everything stays solid. Don't you let anything loose. Great work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know you think we sort of switch your sides. We are not. Going down to the floor. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Keep it working. We do it. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Switch sides now. And again, everything solid. Down, side, press. Good. Make sure you're squatting down. Chest stays up. Hold this position. Should feel the hamstrings. Chest up and explode. Breathe out. Good. Perfect. Woo! That sweat's starting to break through. Hold it together and you keep driving up. Now we got about 5 seconds remaining. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Back down. Woo! Hold it down steady. 3, 2, 1. Keeping that core engaged all the time. 3, 2, 1. Good. Your next one. This is a little bit easier. But you're just gonna go hold. So you got 40 seconds, no, 20 seconds and you switch sides. 40 seconds in total. Tricep extension. Just holding down in that position. If you can't, don't feel bad, just hold up and just push up. If you're looking for that challenge like I am, good, hold it there. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides if you was on a lunge, if not, carry on. Ten seconds. You'll feel the burn. That's the beauty of it. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! You're not quite done yet. So we're gonna go down at 20 seconds. I was gonna cheat, but I'm gonna keep it going. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gosh, think you're done? Got one more. Woo! So we're gonna hold it here. It's hot in there. Feels like it's 40 degrees out there. So we've got side crunches here. So we're just gonna keep the feet down. In, side, side. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Try and touch slightly behind you, stretching and switching. Yeah. If you find the weight hard, just touch with the hands. You don't have to use that kettlebell. I like the challenge. You got 20 seconds. Keep the lean, core engaged, and keep it working. Last 10 seconds. Woo! In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. You got the climbers, 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Woo, woo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is round 1. So obviously depending on your level, it is intense. You got 2 to 3 rounds and you gotta repeat the same thing. Make sure you keep that water next to you and keep it working. Don't cheat any reps. Every second counts, alright? Great workout, let me know what you think, alright?